Hey guys, it's Jeremy here. I want to be showing you a logo design I did for a freelance project I did back in 2016 or sometime around there. It was for an Australian skydiving company, and I just want to show you my sort of logo process of some of the ideas that I did and see if we can learn from it. So I just start off with a basic slide here, and then I went and did some research on the competitors. I checked out their logos, and you can see a lot of them are like literal skydiving with parachutes and stuff, and then some more typographic here. So pretty much it was a new company starting off, and they're going to have a website and stuff like that, and it was a booking site to book like Australian skydiving. So you can see here it went for a simple look here, and I used the S as the key element there, and you can see here I was playing around with some of these marks, just to make it more edgy, indicate speed and stuff like that. You can see here's the custom S as well, and putting Australia skydiving. So you can see it was a very long words that I had to use, so I had to think of like a horizontal lockup. There's a thing missing there, so you can see some other ideas. So I was playing around with this idea of the S falling for like skydiving, and then this one was more sort of literal, but you can see I was playing around with the typography, and I really liked how I used this D to play around. It was like, he was jumping out and flying down, and it was like this big swoosh, and then you have the silhouette here. I probably should have illustrated this better instead of made it flat. But yeah, I really like this lockup, but they didn't accept it. You can see just color variations, as you can see there. And I would have differentiated better because you could see that the colors are all the same. So we should have zigged or zagged and did different colors. And then I went for more playful look here, as you can see, using strokes, bold, wings, and clouds here. So I really like this as well, and you can see I colored it with this. This looks pretty cool. So it was very vibrant, young, a bit more retro, playful. You can see some of the other ideas and go through here, different variations, playing around with strokes, as you can see, to get that movement by using lines, and then playing around with the spacing and the typography here, using silhouettes with the A, letter of the A, and I had like a shirt here just to show what it could look like. And you can see some of the stuff I was playing around with here, which was pretty cool. And then they didn't like those, so I went on to do some more typographic versions. The font here is missing, so don't worry about that. But you can see I was using some lines to like make the skydiving word like actually move, which is pretty interesting. Seeing how I could use like a little parachute on the S or the letters, which I thought was kind of neat. More of a cutesy type of look, as you can see there. I'm just using some basic fonts. What font is this? This one's Helvetica. This one's Nexa Bold mixed with a script. So yeah, really interesting. So this was the logos that I did for this company, and you can see there, like, obviously the presentation wasn't very good. I didn't show it up on any mock-ups. It's just a bunch of like logos, but you can see how many versions I did. And yeah, it's really key to listen to your client and the needs of the client and the target audience, and really have that discovery phase. You need to make sure that it's very detailed as much as possible, so you can focus on the right type of look. But yeah, that was one of the logos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below as well, and hit like, because it really helps the video and other people see it. So really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in another video.